Hello, and I'm William from Jordan Bikes, and today I've got for sale this. It is a Kawasaki Ninja or a ZX6R. An absolute belter of a bike, loads of brute power, yes, just to get the blood flowing. Anyway, this one's a 2014 on a 14 plate. 4,875 miles it's done. KRT edition. Absolute fantastic. Power modes, traction control, it's got the lot. Basically a standard bike from the factory, not being molested, couple of nice little bits that have been done to it. So, the little nice bits, it's just the R&G protection. Some cheeky little levers there as well. Absolute belter of a bike. Show of forks. However, biggest thing on these, the noise factor. Let's give it a little bit of a brum brum. Brum, 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 brum. Love it a lot. An absolute belter of a bike. All you need to do, simply pop yourselves down to Jordan Bikes or give us a cheeky little call. Take care.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.